Hey Bookies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let me put this on this. Hey Bookies, welcome back. This is so awkward. Why? Hey Bookies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki, and in today's video we're gonna be doing some I don't know, what month is it? November faves. It's gonna be really short, but it's gonna be a few different things that I tried out. Some hair products, skin products, and some of them technically not empty, but yeah, whatever. I just had to talk about it. So let's go with the first one. A few months ago, maybe like 5 months ago, 6 months ago, I tried the Medicube Zero Pore Pads, and as you can see, it is empty. If you didn't see my review, these pads were so juicy, so good, and they did have a good effect. However, I did realize that if you use it too much, which they do recommend using it like up to 3 times per week, if you use it too much, then your skin does get sensitive and it gets like some kind of weird texture, so don't do that. But these pads are really good, I would say, for long-term use, for controlling the size of your pores, and also for just generally decreasing the amount of breakouts, pimples, etc. that you have, because it is made with AHA and BHAs, which are like skin exfoliants, so it kind of helps slough away the buildup in your pores. So I do recommend this. If you have very sensitive skin, then be careful, use it with moderation, but you can add this to your regime. In the bin. All right, next up is another Medicube product. I bought this at the same time. This was a really cute, cool product because it's called an ampule. It's a vitamin C ampule, and that means its composition is a little bit different from the regular cream serum type thing that we're accustomed to. It was made of two basic parts. One was oil based and the other one was water based, so it was customizable to your skin's needs. So if you are oily skin girl, then you could use less of the oil and more of the water part or the gel based part, and vice versa. If you are more dry skin, then you could use more oily substance and then less of the gel, so you can get exactly what you need. And this is a nice product. I think I did see bouncy texture in my skin, or I shouldn't say texture, but it almost felt as though my skin got an extra layer of hydration, and it was more plush, when you put your finger into something and get that bounce back, which that was really nice. And I like the fact that it was customizable. However, I would say one con is that coming down to the end of the product, you do kind of run out of one or the other. So I had a lot of the little oil nubbies, and I had less of the gel, which I would have wanted to have some more of that. So that's where the ratio kind of goes a little bit off. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a really good formulation. I do recommend this. And as for it being a vitamin C and brightening my complexion, I didn't necessarily notice that, but the moisture and the hydration, absolutely 10 out of 10 for that. In the bin. So I normally, for years, I've been using Eco Styler. Then I moved on. There was a red one gel. Most recently, I've been using the Extreme Wetline, and this is the small jar that I decided to keep this time, but I use the big jar and I do wash and goes with it. I have videos on my channel showing you how I do the wash and go with the Wetline, and I also use it in my edges. I use it to do whatever the hell I want to do. If I want to define my curls, or if I want to get my hair to hold, I use this. It's really good. I think that most gels that don't have alcohol in it, which most of them don't have anymore because it's not good for your hair, they tend to not have as much holdability, but this one is nice. I do find that it flakes a lot. It does flake eventually. It's no superhero, but it does really good. So if you're looking for a affordable gel, that still is good. When I say affordable, it's more affordable than the typically black marketed gel. When I say black marketed, for gel for black hair, yeah. Get this one. It's a good mid-range one, and it's gives you good hold. And there's a small bottle if you like it really hard up, like I am these days, then just get a small one. In the bin, I actually have a dedicated video about this product. This is the Just For Me curl piece, defining curl and coil cream, and I actually really like this product. It was so surprising because I had not gotten to go to the beauty supply store that day, and I went to the grocery store, and it's okay, they have one lane for whatever they can fit in the lane, beauty products, hair products, deodorant, toothpaste, whatever. And I was just you know what, let me try this. I don't feel it'll do anything good for me, but let's try, because Just For Me is for kids, and it really did shock me the way that this felt in my hair. Immediately upon landing on my follicles, it started to feel like a mousse from being cream in the container, and it says that it has flaxseed in it, which kind of explains why it had that texture, which I love. I love a heavy, thick product. Natural hair, heavy, thick product. They go hand in hand. It's just like ebony and ivory together in perfect harmony. Corny. Okay, so yeah, it says that it holds and hydrates with grapeseed oil and shea butter as well. And shea butter is black people's best friend. Skin, hair, whatever. I mean, don't eat it, but yeah. So this was nice if you want to do like a twist out, if you want to do even a wash and go, like a light wash and go, not like a heavy or a strong whole wash and go, then definitely try out this product. It has nice ingredients, which is good for your hair, and it's not badly priced. In the bin. I never tried products from this brand before. I thought it was so expensive, and I was like, I'm just a girl with just 2 coins. And I eventually decided, you know what? I need to try this. I need to see what it's about. And I am absolutely flabbergasted, speechless by the definition, shine, and hold that this particular product offers. So the Doux seems to be, well, it is a black-owned brand. It has a nice culture in that they like to educate people about using their products and what the product is supposed to do. They like to show you how it works. They partner with a lot of influencers or social media creators to show you how their product works in real time, what type of hair is for what type of product, etc. And I decided to try this. I don't know why, something about it being honey infused or honey made like made it really appealing to me. And 10 out of 10. I love the fact that you get at least 4 uses. I have a pretty big head and not a lot of hair, but like this is extension, so don't be fooled. Not a lot of hair, but enough to like use a good amount of product, and I was able to use this 4 times. I would say never mix this with anything else. Just use this with like water. All right. Yeah. So this product is actually infused with a particular, I think it's cationic honey, and that just means the honey is made specifically to use in topical products like hair products. It also is infused with aloe, vitamin B, C, and E, keratin, and silk amino acid. So again, another hair product that's good for your hair. That's what I'm like heavily into these days. So 10 out of 10, I recommend this. This is not for type 3, type 2 hair. This is for the type 4 girlies that need that shine, hold, and definition. Oh, the next product is another product from the Doux. This is Chief Rocka Extreme Moisture Mousse. It's a high performance defining styler. However, what does it say? Okay, it does say detangle, condition, defines, and shine in one step, which I do love a one-step product, like a one-step wash and go. You just do one step and you're done. This is for all curl types. However, if you have type 4 hair, then you're going to find that the hold is not translating on the next day. Maybe you'll get hold for the day, real nice defined curls. People were impressed with the curls when it was like the same day. By the next day, it's going to be a little bit more, yeah, a little bit more fro-ish, and that's fine as well if you don't have a problem with that. The nice thing about it is that this wash and go is going to dry in no time. So this is if I'm late, if I don't have time, wash and go. Yes. If you want to blend like my leave out is blended with my extensions. Yes. You don't want a hard holding gel in your extensions. Yes. So for all of these applications, definitely get the Chief Rocka, especially for your own hair, because again, these products are made with good ingredients. So 10 out of 10, I do recommend. However, it's not completely empty. It's like halfway through, so it's not going in the bin. It's going back on my shelf. Okay, so if you guys don't know, never heard or never saw, I do wax my own pits at home. I do try to wax other parts. It's not as successful. The best place I've waxed is my mustache and my pits. And for that, I use the Trust Wellness Spa, like the wax warmer, but I don't use their hard wax beads simply because I have to order it from Amazon, where I can just use this one. This is from Pennywise. This is Sliik. I don't know if they want me to say Sliik. I think I want to say that because it has 2 eyes, and I feel like it needs to have a colloquial twang to it. But this is, it says no strips needed, acai berry, hard wax beads, and it's for face or for body, all hair types. And it's really easy to use. You just throw it into the pot and it works well for me. It hardens quick enough, it dries whole, you can rip it off very easily. It does the job. So this is something, if you're a local girly, go to Pennywise. You can get this for like $35 to $40. I think you can get it on Amazon as well. I'm going to put it in the description box if I do find the link. Okay, again, I'm cheating. This is not a finished product, but I am absolutely in love with it. I am in love with vitamin C. This is supposed to be a body butter. However, body butters typically don't have, body butters typically don't have, or they're not supposed to have any water in it. Water is actually the first ingredient in this product. Am I mad at it? No, because when I put this on my skin, honey, it's soft, it's bouncy, it's cool, it's almost as though, like, think about like marshmallow being added to your skin's texture. Now, I'm not somebody who likes to grease down my skin, especially in the hot sun, because I sweat a lot. But at night, I be lathering, baking, oiling, cooking, like everything. I want to like try to still infuse my skin with some of the good benefits from these skin products. And this vitamin C cream is really nice. This smell is like you don't care about the smell, right? Like the smell is not the selling point, but this product just generally is really, really nice because of the way that it makes your skin feel afterwards. So I recommend that for sure. That's vitamin C. And then this one, I had to go and get a second one in it because it's almost empty, but it is so nice. The consistency of it. Let me show you. I'm gonna get my hands dirty for you. It's gonna be B-roll. Anyway, this is the Tree Hut Peppermint Pearl Shea Sugar Scrub. And let me tell you, I've used many of their scrubs before and it tends to be more granular. This one has the base of something that tends to be a little bit more sticky, a little bit more goopy. So it helps the scrub to adhere to your skin. So that means you're not going to have like half your sugar scrub on the ground. It's on you. You can actually rub it in a circle and apply it. And if you want even more exfoliation, then you can. I hope you guys are hearing me well because I'm just waving this mic. If you want even more exfoliation, then you can go ahead and apply it on dry or damp skin and get in there, you know. But this, it smells good. I love the smell of peppermint just for life. Peppermint does something to you. I think it's energizing or something. I'll leave some notes on the screen here. But this is really, really nice. And it has like an iridescent, pearlescent look in it. It's supposed to be like a holiday version. I mean, I don't care. I actually noticed that there were 3 different labeled versions of this. It's the same formula, same fragrance, same scrub with the same pearlescent effect, but it was just named different things from the same brand, Tree Hut. I don't know why they did it. Maybe they realized people love it. Whatever. I ain't vexed at it. I am mad at it. I am vexed with it. This is an absolute fave. Love, love, love this. We'll be buying it again whenever they have sale, whenever they don't have sale. Just completely in love with it. So if you love a good scrub, get this. Alright, Bookies, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about any of the products that I used in today's video or debuted in today's video, please leave it in the comment section down below. Please leave me a thumbs up, a heart, a like, engage with me in some way or another. Share this with your family and friends. Just do something with the video, girl. Just do something, alright? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.